Ang dami-dami sa inyo na mga nakausap ko na clients before na nagtatanong sa akin, Madam, ano ba ang twin flame na yan? Twin flame ko ba si ganito? So excited tayo to know if certain person is our twin flame. But you have to know what the dark side is sa mga twin flames na yan. Kasi kung hindi, syempre, ma-fall under tayo dun sa trap na we are misinformed about these soul connections. Okay? So, una, there's ang twin flame kasi, there are runners and chasers. So, alam mo, nakakakilig kasi parang syempre, uy, may chasing na nangyayari, habulin mo ako, ganong type. But it's actually an emotional roller coaster. And it's really exhausting na sometimes, pagod na pagod ka ng habulin yung person mo, thinking that that is your twin flame, di ba? So, hindi yan natatapos. It's an endless cycle of running and chasing each other until finally, parang you just wanna give up. Second truth about twin flames is the mirror effect. They parang nire-reflect nila sa inyo yung mga bad traits ninyo. Kasi nga, you're coming from one soul na parang nag-split, di ba? And kung ano yung parang mga insecurities mo, yung bad traits mo, they also somehow possess those traits. And what happens is, if you are in that connection with your twin flame, you mirror each other, even the bad things, even the bad sides, even your insecurities, your traumas, nami-mirror nila, nababalik nila sa inyo. Because they know you so well. And yun yung sometimes downside ng having that twin flame connection. Next is, twin flames aren't always romantic. So, minsan, a twin flame can end up as a friend. It can just end up as someone na parang nag-pass by lang. So, it's not always romantic. Yun yung gusto natin na ano na i-clear out when we say na twin flame ko ba ang si certain person na yan, right? They are not always romantic. It is not always that lovey-dovey na gusto natin. The last and the most painful is, kahit sabihin ko na twin flames kayo ng certain person ninyo, right? Does it always mean that you are gonna end up together? It is about the journey. The reason that you have twin flames, the reason that you are given twin flames by the universe is for you to learn how to grow, to see yourself in that other person and realize that there are things na you also need to improve. Yun nga, like kanina na sinabi ko kanina, yung mga mirroring na mga traits ninyo, yung mga traumas, yung mga masasakit na parts, you have to learn that and you're gonna learn that through your twin flame. But it doesn't mean na magiging kayo forever. And I hope that this video was able to clarify what twin flames are. Do you still want to have that twin flame? I mean, hindi naman natin maiiwasan. Pero I guess it would be helpful to research more about what twin flames are. And if you're really committed to connect to that twin flame, knowing all these dark sides. Okay? I hope this helps and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!